Welcome guys to my 2020 Christmas home tour. I am so excited to take you around my home and show you all of the decor that I have done so far this year. There will be more, so stay tuned for Vlogmas starting December 1st, where we add a little bit more Christmas to the already done up house. But I love Christmas. This may be too much for some, not enough for others, but I love it. It's perfect for me and I can't wait to show you. So let's just get started. All right guys, we are in my living room and my buddy Jack decided to join me. He loves the couch and I'm probably in his spot. So he's telling me. Yeah, animals and babies, right? Anyway, I am loving my living room. I mean, obviously you love your decor, right? He's back. He's so cute. Anyway, I really wanted more of a rustic glam this year, and I feel like my tree is very sparkly. I may be adding a little bit of red, but at night it just sparkles, and I just sit in my chair and I'm in awe of how beautiful it is. So.
Lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you without TV. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be?
All right, we're gonna talk about my dining room next. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you caught a glimpse of my new dining room table. It is 8 feet long and I am in love. My husband built the base and then we did the top together, and it fits perfectly in here, and all my family can sit at it very comfortably, even my grandson in his high chair. So that was the main goal. And I also wanted to bring in a lot of woodsy, lodgy pieces, and I feel like I've accomplished that. I may want to add a little bit of red as we go along through the Christmas season, so be sure to subscribe. That will be on Vlogmas too. I'm so excited to start using that table and really enjoying it.
Everything is calm now. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise man keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends. A gift that's heaven sent, it's heaven sent to you and me. Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all times, walking in our midnight wonderland. Everything is calm now, it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking in our midnight wonderland, walking through a midnight wonderland.
All right, we're in my kitchen, obviously, and I, again, have only done a few things. And I really wanted to do like the Mrs. Claus gingerbread theme in here. It doesn't really go with the rest of my house, but I don't care. I'm gonna do what I love anyway, and I think it's so cute. And of course, Christmas to me is a lot of baking cookies, so I'm getting prepared for that, and I have my mixer out. One thing we will be doing on Vlogmas, again, we'll be doing my hot cocoa bar. I haven't started, but that's all that I have. So we're gonna go shopping and find some cool things for our hot cocoa bar, and then we're gonna put that together. So that's...
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas. Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
I'm in my guest room now, and I love the way that this room turned out. I did add a couple of new things to the tray, and if you want to see how I decorated this, you can go and watch my video, and I will link that in the description box for you. I did that a few days ago, and I had so much fun. I also added a few things in my guest bath. It is a tad small, so there's only a few things that would fit, but I think it's very festive for my guests when they come over.
This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down.
We are in my master bedroom now, and I am loving this blanket that I found at Target, and also these green velvet pillows that you see behind me. Just love them on my bed. They're so cozy. Funny thing, I sat here so I could pet my cat and talk to you guys, and she immediately got up and moved away. So, typical cat, right? Anyway, back to the video. I do plan on putting a Christmas tree in this room, and we're going to do that together because I will be doing some Vlogmas videos this year, and I'm super excited for that. So you're going to want to subscribe, that way you don't miss out. There's several other things like this back wall that I want to finish. I added this barn picture, which I love. I found that at Hobby Lobby, but I need to finish it out. So we're going to do that on Vlogmas too.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near.
As you can see, my bathroom is large and there's a lot of wasted space, and I'm not sure really how to decorate it. You know, I just put some garlands up there, and I do love the wreaths on the windows. That's probably my favorite part. Then I just add a little bit of light and some candle, and then I feel like it's pretty cozy.
I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while we toured my house for Christmas. I am super excited to share that with you, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we are definitely planning for Vlogmas. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Bye!